Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really brown, everything is kind of brown. Like, I don't know if you can see or if you're picking up on camera. Everything is brown, except mascara, obviously. But today is my mom's birthday and I wanted to go and do a makeup tutorial using her favorite colors, which is brown. I know she does love green, but I don't really have green, so brown it is. So I really hope you guys do enjoy it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well as the bell button. That way you guys get notifications on when I upload. It would mean so much for me to be a part of this family, and it would mean so much. You guys have no idea how much it would mean to me. So let's just jump right into the video. If you guys love brown kind of makeup, this is very different for me. I don't normally wear browns. I try to stay away from them, but this is kind of digging it. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let's jump in. So I already went ahead and did my lips and my brows, and I did conceal my eyelids and I primed my eyelids. So I'm going to be going into my I Heart Revolution Nudes palette. Now, my mom really loves some browns. Those are the colors that always look good on her skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here. It's called Secret. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that into my crease, and I'm going to use it as a light transition shade. Now that the transition is laid on my eye, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Bodacious. They didn't have anything in this palette that was a step darker than from Secret, because Secret's right here and then Bodacious is right there. So I'm just going to go and add a touch of that into my crease and kind of warm it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Undressed, which is that one right here. It's a little bit more of a, I would say more of a warm taupe kind of color. So if you don't have this palette, just go into a warm taupe or a khaki kind of color. I think it's khaki, right? I would describe that shade as like khaki. So go ahead and dip into a shade like that. I'm going to be taking it on a different brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my crease as well. Then I'm going to be taking in the sheets right here on a different brush. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my outer. I'm going to be taking Brazen and on the same brush and putting it also in my outer V. But I'm going to be taking it and putting it just on the outer edge. That way it can really deep. I'm taking the shimmer shade Love Struck, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle of my lid. So right about here, I'm just going to go ahead and tap it on with my finger. But I also want to make sure that I also blend it in with the brown in the outer base. Just go ahead and put that on with your finger. And I really like what it does. Then I'm going to be taking in the Nude, which is a really nice, beautiful, yellowy kind of gold. Not the color I would normally wear, but I would use it as the inner corner part, put that in the inner corner. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap that right in there and make sure I overlap the two. That way they look like they're blended, so it has a nice eye-opening effect. I usually love doing that trick. Whenever I put like two shimmers, I always put the lightest one towards my inner corner. I really think it gives an eye-opening effect and kind of brightens up that area. But if you do feel like you did lose a little bit of the Love Struck kind of color, which is that really dark and deep bronzy color, I'm just going to take my other finger and just kind of tap on top That way I make sure I don't lose those two colors. I mean, that really deep bronzy shade, because they were both very, very beautiful. So this is, I think the eyeshadow portion is done. My mom, from what I can but from what I can kind of gather from her makeup, she's the kind of woman who just, anything's easy. She'll put blush on her lids, or she doesn't wear bronzer. She's quite a bit darker than I am. She's like an olivey kind of skin tone. She looks very, very Italian. Very, very Italian. She's got that olive skin tone. Me, I'm pasty white. I have no, like, I don't really have the same skin tone as my mom. Not even in the same ballpark. But I know that she really loves those chocolatey browns and just those kinds of colors, so I figured I would just use those in the eyes. I don't really have any brown palettes, so that kind of really defeated the purpose. So this was like my only option to use, you know. So for eyeliner, my mom, I believe she uses really, really dark brown. I think anytime she would wear black, it's too stark on her. It kind of washes her out. On me, it looks really good, you know, because you have that nice contrast. But on her, I think it washes her out. I think that's why she gravitates more to wearing brown. So I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f., these e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip this little Aesthetica brush just for eyeliner. I'm going to use this espresso color as eyeliner for today, because I know that she really loves that really nice deep chocolatey browns, and they just look usually really good. My mom usually just does a straight across kind of look, and just a little bit of eyeliner, you know, nothing, no wings, nothing rebellious. I think she did a wing once, and it actually came out pretty good, which I was kind of surprised. But I'm just going to go ahead and take it on my brush and just kind of line my lashes with it. So for mascara, I don't know what color she goes in with. I think it might be brown. I think she uses a lot of brown mascara and eyeliner because it looks not as harsh and not as like bold. She does work at a bank, so that might be why she does it. I don't know. She just wears brown a lot. That's all I know. But I'm going to go in with my Carbon Black mascara. Obviously, it's black. But I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I really do hope you enjoy it. This tutorial was supposed to be something for her birthday, like I did say in the intro. So happy birthday, Mom. I hope you and Dad enjoy your time in Florida and get back safely. I can't wait to see you guys for my wedding. So I will see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Bye guys.